Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling English for work, solving problems as a team. We are using our signature double loop method today. First, I'll say a sentence, then speaker 2 will repeat it slowly. I'll say it again, and finally speaker 2 will say it at a normal speed. This helps your brain lock in the rhythm and the vocabulary. Before we jump in, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Are you ready to boost your fluency? Let's get to work. Houston, we have a tiny problem.
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 Let's put our heads together.
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 Whoops, the server is down again.
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 Let's brainstorm some crazy ideas.
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 I think we need more coffee.
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 That is a brilliant solution.
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 Can we fix this by Friday?
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 Teamwork makes the dream work.
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 Let's tackle this issue now.
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 We totally nailed it, team.
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 We are running out of time.
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 Can you lend me a hand?
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 I am totally lost here.
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 Found the glitch in the system.
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 You are a total lifesaver.
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 Let's huddle in the kitchen.
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 Let's keep it simple, folks.
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 What's our next move?
What's our next move?
What's our next move?
What's our next move?
My bad, I messed up.
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 High fives all around, everyone.
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 We need a plan B.
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 Don't panic, we got this.
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 Let's try a different approach.
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 Who has the magic solution?
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 We are finally back on track.
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 You did amazing today. Keep practicing these phrases until you feel natural. Thanks for practicing with us, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.